channel.
Hi guys, thank you for joining us again. Today we are going to be unwrapping. What are we going to be unwrapping, Cami?
We're gonna unwrap this.
It's called What's in My Purse Surprise.
What's in my purse surprise?
So we had already unboxed our purse. So the one we have is MERMAZING. She's our mermaid girl. She has teal hair with some really cute buns and these really cute mermaid sunglasses, and then this super cute outfit. So how it works, you pick one of the three purses, or you can collect all three. We have this one, and it actually opens so you can store your girly things in here. So this is a purse that you can carry around with you. Can you show him, Cami? So this is the collector's card. You can get 3 different purses. They're all so cute, you guys. We have Pinky Swear, there's Miss Positive, and MERMAZING, which is the one we got. It's this one right here. It's so cute. They're 3 dolls that have different moods. We have Pinky Swear, which is everything pink. We have Miss Positive, which is everything cats. And then we have MERMAZING, which is everything mermaid. So, surprises, and they can be the different themes, and you can mix and match and trade with your friends. The top, like I said, the different themes that you can get are the mermaid, the cat theme, and then the pink theme. So let's show you guys what we've gotten already. I'm gonna show them what we have already. We have super cute markers. And these are unicorn markers. They're so cute, you guys. We also have bracelets that have a charm. Show me your arm, Camis.
Camis.
Cami. So Cami's gonna wear her mermaid charm bracelets. These are the ones that we got in one of our surprise thoughts. That's what they're called, surprise thoughts. Each thought can come with a different surprise or theme. So you have your jewelry surprises, which is your charm bracelets. You can also get the markers. You can get lip glosses or lip balms, or you can get erasers. These are the lip balms or the lip gloss. This is the one that came with her handbag. And then we also have the lip gloss rings. Do you want to get the mermaid theme? And this is how you open it, and then you have your super cute glittery lip gloss. And then you can also get erasers, which are super cute for your stationery. Cami is so glad that she got these because she's gonna take them to school, well, preschool. So let's get started with our first surprise thought.
Oh, take the surprise out.
Okay. On the back of the packaging, it says "Cat Scratch to learn more about meow." Okay, let's scratch it, Mama. Let me give you a coin, okay?
So easy.
Alright, let me try. Oh, it says stay sharp.
Can I see, Mama?
So these are the blind bags that you get. You get 3 blind bags in each thought. You're gonna open the first one. There we go. Okay, let's take out the first one, okay? Take it out, Mama.
I'll take it.
What do
Another
we have?
ring? A puppy
Oh,
ring.
we have another. This is from Miss Positive. It says stay positive.
Here.
It's a light pink lip gloss. And then we have a little kitty cat one that's yellow. Super cute shimmery lip gloss. Oh, and then we have one that says meow.
Meow, meow.
Another lip gloss.
Oh,
I'm gonna open the next one.
okay. I really want to open it, but my nose will see the.
This one we have MERMAZING on the back of the packaging. It says scratch more.
It's like this.
Cat
one.
scratch to learn about meow.
Aw, let's open it.
It says, be a pineapple, stand tall, and wear a crown. Oh, so cute.
Open this play bag.
Okay. Open this one. I think we got more lip glosses.
We don't have more lip glosses.
And then we have a super cute seashell.
Small Mickey Mouse.
Also, inside of each package, you get stickers. We have some MERMAZING stickers. And we have Miss Positive stickers. Don't stress me out. Stay positive. Meow, looking sharp. Queen. And then this mascara one. And then Miss Positive right there. And then we have the MERMAZING one.